Hey there, foodies! Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about spinach. Did you know that this leafy green could help you stay strong like Popeye? For real! Stick around, because we're diving into the many wonders of fresh spinach. Plus, we'll reveal an unusual fact you might not know. But first, let's talk about why you should be eating spinach every day. March 26th is National Spinach Day. That's right. It's time to celebrate this green powerhouse that's been stealing the show for centuries. Whether you're tossing it in a salad, blending it into a smoothie, or sautéing it for dinner. Scrambled eggs. Don't forget the pizza. Wraps. Lunch boxes. And even quiche, plus so many more. Spinach is here to keep you healthy and strong. Here are 10 health benefits of spinach you may not know. 1. Packed with nutrients. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, perfect for glowing skin and healthy eyes. 2. Good for your bones. It's high in calcium and magnesium, which are essential for strong, healthy bones. 3. Boosts iron levels. Spinach is a great plant-based source of iron, helping to keep your energy up all day long. 4. Heart health. With its high levels of potassium, it's a heart-healthy food that helps control blood pressure. 5. Full of fiber. Keeps your digestive system on track and helps prevent constipation. 6. Anti-inflammatory. Spinach works as an antioxidant that reduces inflammation, helping to combat chronic diseases. 7. Supports brain function. Its high folate content is great for brain health and cognitive function. 8. Supports healthy skin. Vitamin C helps fight skin damage and promotes collagen production. 9. Helps prevent cancer. With its rich antioxidants, spinach may help fight free radicals linked to cancer. 10. Low calorie. It's perfect for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still getting all the nutrients. When is spinach's peak season? Spinach loves the cooler months, so its peak season is typically from March to June. But the best part? You can enjoy it fresh from the garden or your local farmer's market all spring long. Where did spinach come from? You might be surprised to learn that spinach actually originated in Persia, modern-day Iran, over 2,000 years ago. It eventually made its way to Europe via Spain in the 11th century, and the rest is history. Can you grow it at home? Absolutely! Spinach is a super easy plant to grow, and it thrives in cooler weather. Just make sure your garden gets enough sunlight, and you'll have a fresh batch in no time. Now for that unusual fact. Did you know that spinach wasn't always eaten? In the 1930s, a popular comic book character, Popeye, made spinach famous for giving him super strength. But before then, it wasn't as widely loved as it is today. So, whether you're celebrating National Spinach Day on March 26th, or just adding more greens to your plate, there's no reason not to enjoy this leafy green full of goodness. Plus, remember that Popeye was right. Spinach really does make you stronger. Happy munching, and don't forget to tell me how you love your spinach. Bye for now. See you in the next video.